Believe in yourself. You yourself are all the help you are ever going to have to make your dreams come true. Don't let your self-esteem get low because you failed once or twice. Heck, you fail 1,000 times to succeed even once. Believe in your skills. Trust in yourself. Never think less of yourself. Believe that you can achieve the goals that you dreamt of, that you can be the best. Believe in it. However, people only stop at believing. People get overconfident. Believe that you can do it and then apply all your efforts into proving to yourself that you are right to bet on yourself. Don't believe that you are worthy to begin with. Believe that you can make yourself worthy, and don't think that you are worthless. A little polish and every gold can become a diamond. They don't put in effort, people lying around thinking that a miracle would come for them. Believing in yourself is not a crime. Bet on your abilities again and again and fail. Find what was lacking and improve. For success is just another experiment, and you are the mind that is conducting it. Trial and error will eventually guide you towards the perfect recipe for success. Once you have cooked that cuisine, you will learn to respect your humanity, your limits. The limitations to rise, in darkness will reach for the light. Having strong faith in yourself will not give you some supernatural ability, but when you believe in yourself, your efforts become devoted, your energies become oriented, your power becomes concentrated. All in all, you become more than you ever could have been without putting your faith in yourself. Believe in yourself, for only you can change the story of your life. Don't let your doubts be the graveyard of your faith in yourself.